Most people hand over their digital keys to a big corporation without a second thought. It is like giving a stranger the keys to your house. You just hope they do not snoop through your drawers. If you are tired of that feeling, you have likely heard whispers about Cake Wallet. This is not some corporate playground like the big exchanges. Those places hold your hand and your funds at the same time. This app is about taking the wheel yourself. You get your recovery phrase. You hold the power. If you lose that phrase, your money is gone into the void. That might sound scary to some. To others, it is the purest form of freedom. What makes this specific tool stand out is its obsession with Monero. Now, Monero is the heavy hitter of the privacy world. It is the digital equivalent of wearing a cloak of invisibility. Usually, using something that's secure feels like trying to fly a jet engine. The manual feels like it was written in a dead language. It is complicated. It is clunky. It is frustrating. But this app changes that dynamic completely. It strips away the jargon. It replaces the headache with a clean interface. It feels just like any other app on your phone. You open it. You send your funds. You check your balance. You get on with your day. It is open source too. That is a big deal. It means the code is out there for everyone to see. There are no hidden backdoors. There are no secret trapdoors for your data to leak out of. While it is famous for its Monero support, it is not a one-trick pony. You can toss Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin in there as well. It even handles Solana. If you want to swap one for the other, you do it right inside the app. No need to jump through hoops. No need to move your assets to a risky third party. This internal swap feature is a lifesaver. It is perfect for people who hate navigating multiple websites just to change their holdings. But let us be real for a second. No tool is perfect. This is a mobile app. That means your security is only as good as your phone habits. If you click on a sketchy link, you are in trouble. If you download a fake version of the app, your funds are at risk. It is not a titanium vault. For your life savings, you might want a physical hardware device that stays offline. There is also the waiting game. Privacy takes work. Because of that, syncing up with the network can feel a bit slow. It is not instant, like a credit card swipe. You have to be patient while it talks to the blockchain. This is especially true during the first setup. It has to scan the history of the chain to find your balance. It takes time. That is the price of total anonymity. If you are looking for flashy features or a way to buy digital art pieces, this might not be your favorite spot. It is a workhorse. It focuses on the core mission of keeping your business private. It does that job remarkably well. For an everyday tool that puts you back in charge, it hits the mark. It earns a solid 8.5 out of 10. It does not try to be everything to everyone. It just tries to be the best way for a regular person to stay private. It is a win for anyone who values their digital footprint. You do not need a computer science degree to get started. You just need a desire to own your own assets. It represents a shift in how we think about money. It moves us away from big banks. It moves us back toward individual control. That is why it has become a favorite for the privacy community. It is simple. It is effective. It just works.